Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video, except it's a bit different. Today we have Ryan's World Mystery Squishy figure, and Dad, just come over here. So you can collect loads of different figures, such as Red Titan Ryan, Mecha Robo Reboot guy figure thing, and then Astro Lexa, and then Lost City Adventure Ryan, and then USA Ryan, World Tour Balloon, Happy Peck, and Skipping Gus. But if I pronounce some wrong, sorry. But yeah, so should we open it? I think we should open it, yeah? Yeah, I had to use my teeth. Oh, okay. I think... I mean, it is a bit coming off a bit, so... Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, hold up. So, I love, like, fidget toys and everything, so... I wonder if you guys like them. If you do, then join the fidget squad. Okay, here we go. Some of it's coming off now. I hate when like packaging always does all of this because it's just quite hard to get off. Okay, so okay. I wanted this guy. Where is he? Okay. I think it's Skipping Gus. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Dad, come over here. Ta-da! Yeah, it's him. Whoa. This is actually really cool. I like this dude. See? His hair, well, everything's all squishy. I love these. It's a bit hard to squish, but I can get used to this easily. I like this. It isn't bad, but it isn't good at the same time. So, this is all of this. This is what it looks like. And it says Gus over here on the t-shirt, and I love it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, then that's good. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So bye bye.